everybody, just around here. Just want to give a quick review of this item I purchased from Harbor Tools. So I'm gonna go around my house and check areas I think air is coming in because it's so cold. So I wanted to go out and pick up a little thermometer here, and this is from Harbor Tools. I think it costs maybe $11. Pittsburgh is the name, and the item number is, there it is there, 93983. A non-contact pocket thermometer. It reads up to -33 up to 110. Instant readings, you point, control, click, and it fits in your pocket, so I can walk around the house and just test all my windows and all my doors to see if there's any air coming through, if the temperature drops in any areas, so I know where maybe I need insulation or padding or weather stripping or whatnot. So I'm going to open it up real quick. All right, so I'm going to open it up. On the back side there is, rip it open. Oh yeah. So there's the back side here. It comes with directions which we will need. The direction manuals, non-contact pocket thermometer, just like we talked about earlier from Pittsburgh. It comes with a strap, so you can hook it to something so you won't lose it. It's very small, so this strap might actually come in handy. So there's your strap there. It's black, so it's kind of hard to see. You get a free rubber band too as well. Put that there. So, warning sign up front. I don't know if you can read it or not, but it says, not for food, safety, or medical use. So, it's saying don't touch your food, don't go on your grill with this, and don't take people's temperatures with it. Which is actually, nowadays, is probably something smart to say. Take the tab off here. There's a battery compartment on the back. You see it here. You just twist it to your right, clockwise, to open. And there's a battery inside. It already comes with a battery. So that's good. We're going to twist it back up, close it, twist it to your left, like that. And we're turning it on now. It's reading at, I'm in my basement recording. So it is, I don't know if you can see that, I'm in my basement recording, but it's at 63.8, which makes sense for my basement. So we're going to hook up the strand to it. It goes, I think at the bottom here, there's a loop. You just run it through the loop. Run it through like this. And then run this other loop through the main loop. Just swoop it in, you loop it. There we go. Now it's not going anywhere. You have your unit right here. Cool thing is the instruction book came ripped up already. No, I think I ripped it up. I ripped it up. User error. Sorry, Pittsburgh. I ripped it up. So there's a couple of modes here. The sensor lens is on the top here. As you can see, there's an LED screen. The measurement button is here. That's where you want to do your measurements from. And then you got different modes. Normal mode is just hit measure. Then you have lock mode, which means you can lock it. And I'm guessing it just picks up temperature as you go around. There's lock mode here. Yeah, when it's in lock mode, wherever you point it at, the temperature changes. So if you can see it now, I'm moving it around. It's locking on different items, different things, and the temperature's changing. So it works. Just take it off lock mode. So hit the button there to take it off lock mode. And there's normal mode, minimum mode, and maximum mode, and a lock mode. There's also a timer on it too as well. And that's it. Pretty simple thing to use. Easy to use. Has a timer on it in case you want to time yourself taking temperatures. Put your clock in, time in. But basically, I'm just going to use this now. Let's see if I point it at myself. What happens? 64.8 on my hand. Measure 70 something, 80 something. So it works. I don't know if you see this, but 81.2 now is where it's at. So pointing at the wall now, it's 66.9. I put my hand above it, jumps up to 86.9, 88. So almost 89 degrees. Cool. And that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoy this product. If you're looking for something cheap and easy to take temperature around your house, check for leaks in windows or whatever areas you have, doors, this is a great thing to pick up.